this video, I will show you how to create an animated character using AI. To create an animated character, we will use Chat GPT and then Leonardo AI. Watch the full video to learn how to create an animated character with AI. Open a browser on your PC and then search for Chat GPT. Tap enter, open Chat GPT, and here we are in Chat GPT. I have downloaded a picture from Google. This is the image. We will create a character like this. Let's go to Chat GPT and attach the file. Attach the downloaded file. Here write a prompt. I want to create an animated character like this one. Suggest me a image generation prompt. Tap enter. In a few seconds, ChatGPT will give you the prompt. You can read the prompt. If you don't like this prompt, you can regenerate it again. If you like this prompt and want to create an image with this, then copy the prompt and then go to your browser again and search for Leonardo AI. Type Leonardo AI on your browser and search for it. If you don't have any account on Leonardo AI, then create an account. It is so simple. Just click on the sign up button and select your Gmail ID. Then it will automatically log in. We are now in Leonardo AI homepage. Now tap on the image creation and here we will find some settings. Before creating our image, we need to adjust the setting. Please do this accordingly. How I am doing this? Follow my steps. I am using the free version of Leonardo AI. If you need this, you can go for the pro version. After adjusting the settings, paste the prompt and tap on generate. In a few seconds, it will create 4 beautiful images according to our prompt. Here is the image. You can see how beautiful these images are. Let's open one. This is really nice. Let's download this one. Let's see the next one. You can upscale the image from here. I think this is already in a good resolution. By this way, you can create an animated character using it. Friends, that was our today's video. I hope this video was very helpful for you. If you like this video, please give a like and share this video to your friends. Subscribe to the channel to get more this kind of videos regularly. Thanks for watching.